Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful Smartsheet trick, how to create *** multiple line entries using a single form ***, all in one smooth workflow. If you've ever needed to add several different records to Smartsheet but found it tedious to start from scratch every time, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly and efficiently add multiple lines without having to open the form over and over again from scratch, which can really speed up your daily tasks. Let's dive right in. First, as you can see, we already have a basic form set up that's connected to our main sheet. If you're working in your own Smartsheet environment, make sure you have a form ready. You'll need it as your entry point for adding new rows. Think of the form as your customized doorway into the sheet, allowing you and others to enter data in a clean, controlled way. Next, let's go ahead and populate the form asterisk. This just means fill in all the details for the first entry you want to create. So for example, I'm going to add a project name, assign it to a team member, set a deadline, or whatever fields are relevant in your scenario. Take your time here and make sure the information is correct. Forms are great for not only speeding up entry, but also for reducing mistakes since you often have drop-downs and validations. Once your first entry is complete, hit that Submit ** button. Now here's one of the key points in this process. After you submit, don't just close the tab or exit out. Instead, go ahead and click your browser's back button **. This step might feel a bit unintuitive, but it's actually a simple hack to save you time. When you hit the back button, the form reloads and you'll notice it's empty and ready for new data, almost like it's rolling out a fresh sheet of paper so you can keep writing. Don't worry if your last entry briefly flashes on the screen before clearing. That's just your cache refreshing and it's totally normal. Now you're ready to populate the form again this time with different details. Maybe it's a new project, a different team member, or a separate task, whatever needs to be tracked. Enter your details and submit the form a second time. If you have more items, you can repeat this process as many times as you need. Submit back button, enter new data, submit again. This method is especially helpful when you're collecting a series of entries at once, like after a brainstorming session, or if you're inputting meeting notes with multiple action items. Once you've finished adding all your entries, it's time to return to your main sheet **. Just hop back over to the worksheet connected to your form. Here's the satisfying part. Take a look and you'll see that each form submission has instantly created a new line in your Smartsheet. You should see multiple fresh entries, each reflecting the information you just submitted, neatly organized as separate rows. This simple process lets you batch your work and keeps your data clean and consistent without the repetition of starting from scratch each time. If you've never used this trick before, give it a try the next time you need to enter lots of data quickly. It can cut your admin time in half and ensures nothing gets overlooked. And remember, little tricks like these add up to big productivity gains over time. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions about Smartsheet or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you're looking for more practical tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. See you next time.